Before we left Ipoh for our long travel going to Kuala Lumpur, we just eat our breakfast there. Let's eat. Here already. We check in first before my flight. So we are here in our apartment first. It's near in the airport here in Sepang. This is the place. A quick room tour or apartment tour. Very nice. This is the couch. Have two big beds. Actually, the one will stay here only is my son and my husband. After they bring me to the airport, they will come back here to sleep one night before daddy go back to Ipoh tomorrow. So my son is with him until tomorrow only. My son is working already here in KL, so he will not go back with daddy alone. This is the area or the place. Same as usual last time. I remember when they get us. Right? Daddy is one. This is the bed. And rest for a while, at least 2 hours. Maybe before 7 or 7 o'clock, we will go to the airport. This place is half an hour far from the airport here in KLIA 2. So we can rest for a while. My flight is 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. So before, I think 3 hours before that time, we must be there already. So it's better to go early than late. And that's for the moment. We want to rest first. Family. Eddie. My baby. Going where? Going back to the Philippines. This is the time. Last time I remember Coco come here, very fast he is walking, you know. I follow him, just like I'm running. He very fast, you know.
One is broken.
are here at the entrance already. Starbucks. Not yet. So we sit down there first in the Jollibee. Don't know why my legs are very
Panggilan terakhir untuk penumpang penerbangan darat. Penumpang-penumpang tiba silakan ke bandara.
Jollibee. Burger and spaghetti for mommy.
Passengers is crossing the departure runway
Spaghetti and Jollibee.
for immediate boarding. Thank you.
With pineapple juice. This baby, my son, and daddy, of course. We'll miss you both. And Coco. Jollibee. Here's so many Jollibee outlet already or branch. The last one. Very fast.
Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila, Philippines. Local time now is 5 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning. And for your information, there is no time difference between Kuala Lumpur and Manila. The ground temperature is at 27 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt.
Ayan, nag-Wendy's na si Lola. Ate kong maganda, tingnan mo. Sabi nila 60 na. Hindi pa naman senior. Yan, look. Courtesy of Cebu Pacific. Dahil delayed ang flight nila, may free complement of breakfast.